Okay, let's try to have the main let's call it store manager. Okay, and we like to have a main. Click on finish. So the main is already included. Okay, and what we need to do is we essentially you need to keep the logic clear. Okay, and you need to remember in the main what you need to do step by step. The first thing is read in inventory. Okay, the second thing, what you are going to do, process sales. The third thing is process reorder and output. That's it, right? And if you think about that, let's do a little bit test file here. Let's create a text file, and this text file is we see 3, 40, 6, 6, 11, 0. We have 29. Oopsie, 8. And we have 41, 3. And this is called inventory dot txt, right? You have an inventory.txt. The next one is we are going to have the sold.txt, right? We just created right now. We have a text file that's called sold.txt. It's 3, 29, 29, 11, 41, 11, 11. Okay. And we stack it. And this is called sold.txt, right? And once we have that, we can do the inventory. How could we read information from a file? Probably you are going to use a scanner, right? So we see scanner. I see this is inventory input. Inventory input. Okay, it's equal to new scanner, new file, inventory.txt. Okay, and you say, oh, I have a scanner not defined. Okay, let's do import, and then we try to import the file. And after that, you will say, oh, file not found exception. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit cheating here. Oops. I'm going to just do the simpler one. I do add throws. Okay. And this is not probably very, very recommended, but for proficiency exam purpose, this will be good enough to handle the exceptions here. Okay. And once we have that, is we see while for the inventory input has the next. What we are going to do is we are going to see int id is equal to inventory input dot next int, and we see int that's name of stock is equal to the same thing. We try to get the next integer. Okay, and once we have that, we need to really handle that in the inventory part. So before we do anything, we need to create an inventory. I create the inventory. I can just simply let the inventory dot add item with the ID and name of stock. And I'm done. Okay, I'm done here. Okay? and then process the sales. Very, very similar. Okay, and then we say while sales input dot has next, what we are going to do is we simply do inventory dot what? Process sold with the ID, which is a sales input dot next int. Okay, and after this is done, you can process reorder. Process reorder is very, very simple. Process reorder, and then all you have to do is you figure out how could you do the output. That you may need to do an sorting, right? You may need to do a sorting, but sorting is pretty simple. Okay, sorting is pretty simple. I think in the tutorial online that I have, for the sorting, is what I can do is I can do collections dot. Is that a collection? No. Collect. See. Oh yeah, that's something missing there. Collections. Yeah. Okay. Dot sort. So we are going to sort based on. We are going to sort the what? We are going to sort the inventory. But it would be RNV dot all items, right? And then what? We need to have a comparator. New comparator. The comparator is compared again on appliance, right? Okay. And what we are going to do is we have a comparator, and what we have here, add the unimplement method. Okay. Okay. And then try to compare to appliance, and to compare appliance is what order you like to do based on, if you are going to do the sorting based on the number of reorder, all you have to do is just to do the comparison based on the number of reorder. If based on the sold, then it is based on the sold. You should be able to figure out how could we do the comparison. Okay, compare the elements as specified in the problem. Okay, essentially that's it. And I just leave this as is, and